What's up, YouTubers? Johnny DIY here. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to prevent rain and water from getting into your basement or your foundation. If you guys are new to this channel, please consider subscribing. I do a lot of these household and automotive projects. Alright, let's get to it. Okay, so the first thing is you're going to want to have rain gutters. If not, all that rain is just going to drain right next to your foundation or your basement right here, and it'll just go right in there. Second thing is you're going to want to make sure you clean your gutters before the rainy season begins, or else they'll just clog up and end up overfilling and back into your foundation or your basement. The second thing I want to show you is you want your slope right by your house to angle out towards the street. And as you can see, this slope right here is going the opposite way. So all this is going to have to be regraded. But for now, I'm just going to run extensions on the gutters all the way out to the flat part where it slopes out. You can also add rocks and gravel around to help with drainage. Now this vinyl gutter is great. You can cut it with a regular old skill saw and blade. If you had aluminum or metal, you'd want to use one of these with a metal blade or like an angle grinder or hacksaw. So as you can see, I made this long extension coming off of the downspout right here, but I ended up having to cut this downspout up so that it would have enough slope that when I put my level on it, the water would run out to the lawn. So be mindful of that. You may have to cut this. You can cut this with like a hacksaw or something like that. And then I just shored it up with some wood to give it some slope out to here. I'm just going to leave it out here while the rainy season anyways. So that will work good. Alright, and that's it, guys. Please consider subscribing to my channel and check out my other videos. Thanks for watching Johnny DIY. Keep on doing it yourself, guys. Take care.